Mobile water service.
The multifunctional watering truck is here.
The fire here is fierce. We're running out of water. Please help.
Got it. I'm coming for you now. I need to get this water to the fire as quickly as I can.
Keep fighting.
You can do it.
Water is gone. What should we do now?
The water has arrived.
Look, the fire was put out.
Hooray! Awesome!
How to build the tank truck watering plants. Step 1. Build the truck body. First, I'm going to build the rear chassis, the motor, the wheel. Now, I'll build the front chassis. Connect the two chassis. These front wheels can help the truck steer left and right. Connect to the battery box. Next, I'll build the cabin. Step 2. Build the water suction tank. Plastic water bottle. Plastic tube. Testing. Bowl of water. Let's see how it sucks up water.
Oh no, the sun is so hot it's dried up my whole field. Mr. Driver, can you help make my field green and moist again?
Leave it to me. I'll take care of it. Your field will soon turn green again after a big drink of this water.
Wow, so awesome. Thank you so much. This watering truck is amazing.
All right, kids, your pool will be full in just a blink.
Wow, look at that. So cool. It's my time.
All tasks are done. I can finally rest now.
It's so hot. The city's flower beds are all wilting.
Don't worry, I'll water them now.
In a street.
Oh no, I need to refill the water tank. How convenient, there's a pond right here. The tank is full now. Let's water all the flowers. All the flower beds have been watered. The flowers will bloom in no time. Oh no! What happened?
What have you done? This iron-contaminated water is banned for watering plants. You're under arrested for destroying the city's plants.